Hello and welcome to my video. Today we discuss about 4 foods that destroy collagen production on your body. Certain foods can negatively impact collagen production in the body. Here are 4 examples. Sugar. Excessive sugar consumption can lead to a process called glycation, where sugar molecules attach to collagen fibers, making them weak and less functional. Processed foods. Foods high in refined carbohydrates and unhealthy fats can cause inflammation, damaging collagen and accelerating aging. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol intake can impair collagen synthesis and lead to collagen degradation, contributing to premature aging signs. High sugar beverages. Sugary drinks like sodas and sweetened beverages can cause glycation, harming collagen and promoting skin aging. To maintain healthy collagen levels, it's crucial to limit the intake of these collagen-depleting foods and opt for a balanced diet rich in nutrients that support collagen production. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page for more information and video.